I saw you across the room, got you in my head now. You're all I want all the time, and the days don't end.
Hello internet. Morning. Good morning. Today is gonna be a vlog. It's weekend.
And after so many days, Delhi has opened up.
So this weekend I'm gonna go out and I am going to log it down. Oh, the Instagram transformation. The transformation though.
The kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need.
Fit check. I'm gonna follow you everywhere. Oh. Try this. It's a gift.
Never. Hi everybody. Glamour आएगा अब तुम्हारी वीडियोस में. Yes sir.
No wonder these crackheads are best friends.
बाहर लड़के खड़े होके देख रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं यहीं जाना है अंदर. कब आएगा हमारा खाना? Thank you.
हम नहीं बन सकते मुकबैंग में.
गंदी शक्ल बना ली.
Spicy. Oh, fuck is spicy. It's spicy. Fuck, सच में spicy है.
ऐसे बाहर के ब्लॉग में बोलते हैं ना, it's like 100 degrees out here. वहाँ पे होता है एकदम ऐसे 15 डिग्री. यहाँ पे एक्चुअली में 100 degrees होता है.
सच में.
We just made a random plan to, random. It was very random.
Yeah.
We did not plan it.
It was not planned. Now we're going to destination number 2.
Yeah.
Today we are just going to eat.
As fast as the seasons change, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were.
ये देना इसमें मुझे तो वो है.
What should we order?
वही देख रही हूँ. सिराचा मेयो वही एग्जैक्ट सेम. भाई हम वही ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं. एक सेकेंड. एक पिज़्ज़ा और फ्राइज, वो वाली फ्रेंच फ्राइज मेयो सिराचा. पीरी पीरी फ्राइज.
It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons.
Finally.
अंदर आते ही हम ऐसे हो गए.
I know.
Like, share and subscribe to Tamanna's channel.
I've just reached home. I washed my face. I'm so tired, but it was such a great day after so many days. I had so much fun. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Peace.